Hey everyone, welcome back. Brian here, Bangkok Musings. So I want to introduce you to someone special. She's been shy, really shy about it, but today she just bit a bullet, decided that she wants to be introduced to my to my people. So let her introduce herself.
Hi everybody, my name's Amity. I'm Brian's wife. First time doing YouTube, not so sure if I want to continue, but we'll try it out. So today I thought I would introduce a part of Bangkok that I think is really cool. My husband and I used to live in Kenya, and so coming to Thailand, we really crave certain things from back in East Africa. And so one of the things that we found we really crave is Ethiopian food. And so we wanted to show you our favorite place to get Ethiopian food in Bangkok. And then also I wanted to, before we go there, I wanted to show another place which I think is pretty cool. Well, the whole African continent, but East Africa as well, is really super famous for like absolutely gorgeous fabric. And you can get amazing things made with African fabric, from dresses to pillows, anything. It's absolutely amazing. You just get super fun stuff made. And so several months ago we discovered this really great fabric shop that, well actually two of them, that sell African fabric at really good prices. And so we just wanted to quickly show you those, and then after that the Ethiopian Restaurant. Alright, hi again. So this is one of the places, there's two on the street, and they have really great fabric. You can see like this one. It's like it's a great example of the really bright, vibrant colors that you can get with African designs. And you can make so many things with this. You can make dresses, again, pillows, all that sort of stuff to really brighten up your home and sort of give it like that African flair, which is great. And so there's this one, which I think is really great for like a pillow maybe. This one will make a great dress for a little girl, or like matching dress for like a little girl and her mom. You got like colors like this. Look at that. Such great colors. So anyways, there's that sort of stuff. And then we're gonna hopefully go into this other store. So in here, you have even more options. This shop is really cool. It's also on Soi 3 in the alleyway that's off of Soi 3. And you just have like so many different colors in here. Like for example, this one, it's gonna make a great dress. This is all West African fabric, actually. Or like, look at this one. This is absolutely amazing. Making amazing dresses. And getting somebody to custom make your dress here is super easy, just like it is back in Kenya where we used to live. But yeah, the options are limitless. Like you can like just use one color and then use color blocking to make it stand out, or you can mix lots of stuff together. A fantastic designer a friend that I have back in Nairobi, Diana, she makes absolutely fantastic clothes out of these sort of designs, Jadia. So anyways, yeah, you can combine them. It's really fantastic. Come over here and see some more. Like, look at this one. This one, like this is really, like, I think they're so beautiful. And they're so affordable too. Like this one, depending on what kind of colors you like, right? Like this sort of thing, you can add it to like make a pillow out of it and really brighten up like a dull sofa. Like we have really dull sofas at home that we're now brightening up with some African designs. It's really exciting. So give it a visit. This shop is called F.F.N, right? And they are really fantastic people. They speak fluent English, so there's no problem there. Their prices are great, and it's right on Sukhumvit Soi 3. So give it a visit. Okay. All right, last one. This is like my other favorite one on the street. It's called Taye. This is Ethiopian Restaurant, as I was saying before. Fantastic food, fantastic service. You go into this restaurant and you feel like you're in Ethiopia. It's fantastic. Let's get inside. Alright, so as you can see, you're in this restaurant and you feel like you're in Addis Ababa. It's really great. Down to like the traditional baskets where they put the Injera, your food, and they'll put the food in here, and they'll bring it with a whole big Injera, which is like their staple food in Ethiopia. And then on top of the Injera, they put all sorts of different like stews and curries and vegetables. It's super healthy, and injera is naturally gluten-free too, so it's also really fantastic.
It's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
Just say already 1 minute.
1 minute and it's ready?
Yeah.
Ah, good. Okay.
With me, I'm incomplete.
Now this is the ready-made injera. It's nice.
Without you, I'm